Evening, Doc. Good evening, classmates. Today, I will be reporting advertising and advertising objectives in real estate. Let's begin. Advertising in real estate is crucial for attracting potential buyers, renters, and investors to properties. The objectives of real estate advertising often center around increasing visibility, generating leads, and ultimately closing transactions. Advertising objectives in real estate are generate leads, increase brand awareness, promote specific properties, drive traffic to a website, establish authority and credibility, educate the market, create engagement, promote open house or events, highlight unique selling points, and foster referrals and repeat business. Generate leads is to attract potential buyers, sellers, or renters and capture their contact information for follow-up. Sample strategy: use online ads with lead capture forms on platforms like Facebook and Google Ads. Offer a free property evaluation or market report in exchange for contact information. Example, a Facebook and offering a free home valuation tool with a form to fill out for more details, capturing leads for a real estate agency. Increase brand awareness is to build recognition and familiarity for a real estate agency or agent. Sample strategy is to run display ads and sponsored content on social media and real estate websites. Use consistent branding elements such as logos and color schemes. Examples, a series of Instagram posts and stories featuring the agency's logo, team members, and client success stories to build brand identity and recognition. Promote specific properties is highlight particular listings or developments to attract interest and generate viewings. Sample strategy is to create visually appealing property ads with high-quality photos and virtual tours. Share these on real estate listing sites, social media, and email newsletters. For example, an email campaign showcasing a new luxury listings with a video tour, detailed property descriptions, and a call to action to schedule a viewing. Drive traffic to a website is to encourage potential clients to visit the agency's website for more information and interactions. Sample strategy: implement SEO optimized content and run PPC ads targeting relevant keywords. Use enticing headlines and offer to attract clicks. Example, Google Ads promoting blog posts about buying tips or neighborhood guides with links and directing users to the agency's website. Establish authority and credibility is to position the agencies or agent as knowledgeable and trustworthy. Sample strategy: publish articles, market reports, and case studies on the agency's website. Share expert insights through webinars or social media posts. Example, a monthly blog series on a market trend and home buying tips, coupled with the guest posts for industry experts or local influencers. Educate the market is to provide valuable information about the real estate process and market conditions. Sample strategy is to create educational content such as how-to guides, infographics, and frequently asked videos. Promote this through social media and email marketing. For example, a series of YouTube videos explaining the home buying process from securing financing to closing, shared across social media platforms. Create engagement or foster interaction with potential clients and build relationships. Sample strategy: run interactive social media campaigns like polls, Q&A sessions, and live chats, encourage user-generated content, and respond promptly to inquiries. Example, a Facebook Live Q&A session where the agent answers questions about the buying process, encouraging viewers to engage and ask their own questions. Promote open houses or events. Objective: advertise specific dates and times for property viewings or special events. Sample strategy: use event promotion tools on social media and listing sites. Create eye-catching flyers and posts that highlight event details and benefits. Example, an Eventbrite page for an open house with social media ads and posts leading up to the event, including countdowns and reminders. Highlight unique selling points. The objective is to emphasize what makes a property or agency stand out. Sample strategy: showcase unique features of properties through targeted ads and content. Use testimonials and success stories to highlight what sets the agency apart. For example, a video ad highlighting a property's eco-friendly features and smart home technology, with testimonials from past clients praising the agency's expertise. Foster referrals and repeat business. The objective is to encourage satisfied clients to refer others and return for future transactions. Sample strategy: implement a referral program offering incentives for clients who refer new business, send follow-up emails, and maintain engagement through newsletters. For example, a referral program where clients receive a gift card for each successful referral, coupled with a thank you note and updates on market trends. By aligning advertising strategies with these objectives, real estate professionals can effectively reach and engage their target audience, driving interest and ultimately increasing sales or rentals. Thank you, Doc and classmates, for listening.